Say I if you want to touch friend.
I.
I.
What? Hello guys. Today in this video, me and a couple of my friends are playing the Roblox game Horrific Housing. And you're probably wondering, what is Horrific Housing? Jacob's gonna explain in the video, so there's like no point in me telling you right now. So let me just get some stuff out of the way. Here's a new design for my persona. So hopefully you guys like that. Also, you're gonna hear my friends say rustling like leaves a lot to me. It's just a joke, so just to let you know. That's all I wanted to let you guys know about. But also, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications if you want to see more videos like this and boost me to make even better videos. And with that out of the way, let's start the goofiness of Horrific Housing. Hello everyone.
Guys, what's up? It's me,
Hi.
your favorite dude. Today, we're gonna be playing Horrific Housing. Bill, it is late. I do not have the mental capacity for this. Basically, it's just a bunch of random mini games, and we have to survive. Why am I doing your intro?
That's so high.
Okay, well, all it is basically you have to survive a bunch of mini games, and there's a bunch of houses.
Yeah.
And you just have to not die, and don't even worry about that, dude.
Shoot him! Shoot him!
What's up? No, cause what's up?
Malu boss.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. I'm really good.
I think
Just like me.
Also, guys, if you're watching, Jacob looks exactly like the like exact.
That's just.
I'm not. No!
Why is it two? Why is it two? Why is it two?
Take it!
Yes!
I only just realized, Yannick, what on earth is your avatar?
You fat shame
You have a problem with his avatar, dude?
What is his shirt? Why does his shirt look like that?
Give me it, give me it, give me it, give me it.
Oh, okay. Man with the big, frick.
Push!
Ow!
I got this.
No, you don't.
I got this.
Yeah, you got it, bro. You got that.
Where did my house go? Oh! Ah! I got no cooked out! Why am I getting pop-ups? I don't want hot singles in my area.
That was my
joke.
joke.
Don't care.
Give me the hot singles. Give me the mamacitas.
There's no more mama seat.
Well, that just happened. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What is happening?
What
Oh,
the?
yeah,
Now these
Bro,
people-
I just got on the what?
Where's the
No!
Alright. We're on a stud. Like me. Get it, guys? Get it?
No.
Give me 5, guys.
No.
I got you,
Fuck,
Jacob.
guys.
Jacob, I got you. Hold your hand.
That's a lot of people.
I think you missed all.
Alright.
I'm
Steve.
Bill, that's not Bill. That is not how you do.
flying. I'm flying away.
Would I-
I'm flying away with Priz. I'm flying away with Priz.
Guys,
Bye
would
bye.
I be- would I be-
Bye.
Yes, would I